The most underrated lens in photography, is it the 70-200? Maybe it's the 24-70? Could be the nifty 50? Well, I don't think it's any of those. Personally, I think it's this. And this, as well as this. And the one thing that all these lenses have in common, if you haven't guessed it already, and which makes them the most underrated lenses in photography, in my opinion. That's right, they're all kit lenses.
And yes, I know, that's pretty easy to say. I mean, after all, these lenses were included as a bundle deal with our cameras when we bought them, hence the name kit lenses. But I think that many of us, myself included, have been looking at the kit lens in the wrong light. You know, wrong light. You get what I did there? This is actually quite nice light today, but you know what I mean. So I think there's a little bit of a stigma surrounding the kit lens in the world of photography. I feel as though they're seen as basic, cheap, and a beginner's lens, all of which are true, but I think there's something that we're all missing with the kit lens, or most of us are anyway.
By using your kit lens to practice with and learn photography, you're quite literally going to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money. Being a zoom lens, the kit lens can cover a large focal range, and the benefit of this is that you're quickly going to find out which focal range you prefer the most, which in turn will point you in the right direction when you are ready to upgrade from your kit lens, instead of wasting money on lenses that you may or may not use in the future. And with the money saved, you can use that to further learn and experiment. You can do things like buying reflectors, backdrops, or even off-camera flash to add to your kit. Although we might not always do this, it's far better to learn new skills than to buy new lenses, in my opinion. I feel like at this point, it's an ideal time to tell you about the sponsor of today's video. So I want to say a big thanks to my wife, Hannah, for providing this amazing vacuum mug. The benefits of this mug are that I don't have to get up and boil the kettle as often anymore, giving me more time to browse the web for my next gear purchase, all while enjoying a nice hot mug of tea. Thanks, Hannah.
Learn about how things like the aperture, the focal length, and the distance you are from your subject all affect your images and the way that they look while using your kit lens before you think about upgrading it. And this is one of those that I wish I'd learnt a lot earlier, because I was sold on the idea that you needed a fast aperture lens in order to create subject separation and get that lovely blurred out background. And it was a case of the larger the aperture, the better. So it was f2.8, f1.8, f1.4. I've had an f1.4 lens before, which I've now actually sold. And although having a large aperture lens is beneficial, I did find out later on down the line that that wasn't the only way to achieve the look that I was going for. Take these two images for example. They both have subject separation and nice blurry backgrounds, although one of them was taken with a 50mm at f1.8 and the other was taken with this kit lens at 50-200 at f5.6. And this just shows that understanding how to use your gear and finding its limitations is key before jumping online to buy something new.
So there you have it, the kit lens. Possibly the most underrated lens in photography, and definitely the most overlooked lens in photography. And just to take it one step further, the kit lens can actually pay for itself. And if you want to find out how, check out this video. I'll see you over there.